Hey guys, in this video, I will show how to get free Minecraft server 4 GB, RAM and 5 GB, disk and 100% CPU, and free servers are Ryzen, 9 server and cheap servers also. So to get free server, join Silent Host Discord and go to invite reward section there. You can see how to get free server complete invite and follow steps and claim. After claiming, you can go to their panel and you will see your server now started and accept EULA. After that, copy server IP and join if you are from Crack. So go to File and Server Properties and go down and change online mode, true to false, and restart. Now you can join from Crack. Now time to test performance so you can see. It is loading chunk. You can see it is loaded. Also, it is better for free and for normal server. And I will take TNT and flint, and I will put so many TNT and I will blast. You can see it has 0 lag. If you want more, better server with 0 lag. And so you can check Silent Host Ryzen 9 plan starting with just $49 per month, and Yellry $499 per yearly, and I will suggest $499 $599 plan for starting, if you have big SMP, so check their announcement. They have put an offer for 64 GB RAM server for just $899 per month and $8,999 per yearly. Before taking any server, you can take server for testing also, and they sell VPS also. So you can check, and thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Bye-bye. See you in next video.